So in this one, we're going to look at the angle relationships in triangles. Note that it's 8.2. We did skip 8.1. You didn't miss it. I just skipped right over it because I don't really want to spend time classifying and estimating angles, as I don't feel they're going to be valuable as you move into grade 10. So some definitions. Interior angles. That's an angle formed inside a figure at a vertex. So the vertex are these corners. So any of the corners, these angles formed inside. Okay. This would also be an interior angle here, 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 and here. Those are all interior angles. So in a triangle, the three interior angles of a triangle always add up to 180 on a flat surface. There are instances where it won't, but none that you will encounter in high school math. This is for math that happens on circles and ellipsoids and hyperbolic shapes. We're going to work with flat plane geometry, or what is known as Euclidean geometry, named after Euclid, an old Greek guy that died some 2,000 years ago or so. That's what we're working with. So we want to find the missing angle in these triangles. Now, we know the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So here I have a right triangle. We know a right angle is 90. So to find this missing angle here, our unknown angle equals 180. That's kind of like a variable. I can use a question mark for a variable. That connects back to our last unit. Anyways, 180 minus 90 minus 40. And when we do that, we're left with 50 degrees. That's our unknown angle. In the next one, we got a 60-degree angle, a 60-degree angle, and an unknown angle. So our unknown angle again. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 minus 60 minus 60. And we're left with 60. This is a special kind of triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. All three sides, all three angles are equal, and all three angles have to be 60 in an equilateral triangle because they have to add up to 180. Now, what if we jump outside the triangle and work with exterior angles? So an exterior angle means the angle is not inside the triangle, but it's made by extending one of the sides of the triangle, and it's then matched with the adjacent side. So this is the adjacent side to that angle, and here we have our exterior angle. Now, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two angles opposite. If you think about it, the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. This is 180. A is 180 minus 30 minus 80. We take away these two and we're left with 70. So A is 70. But this whole angle right here is 180. So B is 180 minus 70, which is 110, which happens to be 80 plus 30. So, two ways to find it. You can figure out 180 minus 30 minus 80 and get 70, and then subtract that from 180. Or you could just do 30 plus 80 equals 110. Whichever one you remember. Preferably the short one. That's it. Interior angles, sum up to 180 in a triangle. Exterior angles are made when we extend one of the sides, and this is true on any shape. The exterior angle is just done by extending one of the sides, and then it's matched up with the adjacent angle there.